how to create Netflix account in phone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can create a Netflix account in your phone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to create a Netflix account in your phone, basically all you have to do is actually open up your browser, then go to netflix.com and you will see this sort of interface. So here under get started, first of all, make sure to enter the email that you want to use for your Netflix. Then after that, just tap on the get started button there. The next step would require you to simply tap on the next option, and then you just have to choose a password. So you can choose a strong password, then tap on next option, verify your email, verify your payment method, and after that your Netflix account will get successfully created. This way you will be able to create a Netflix account in your phone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.